always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Firstly, I do just want to state the obvious. If you guys can hear the rain, I am so sorry. It will not stop raining. I'm hoping it gives you like an ASMR kind of vibe. However, you might not even be able to hear it, so it might be irrelevant, but I hope you guys don't mind the rain sounds if you can hear them. In today's video, we are going through my current Lush favourites. Now, if you guys are an OG subscriber of mine, you will know that many a year ago, I used to upload monthly favourites videos and monthly Lush favourites videos. However, I found myself not using them as frequently, and also when I love something, I love it for ages, like months and months and months. So I decided to basically do Lush favourites videos, but do them more sporadically, I guess that's the word, like more spread out, not as often, and really pinpoint all my favourite products. So that is what we're doing in today's video. I have got 7 products to share with you, all of which I have been using recently and I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'm pretty sure apart from one of them, they're all year round products, so you can get your hands on them. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, so firstly, let's talk body spray. Now, when I first had this product, I was kind of like, this isn't really my kind of scent. However, I have been using this every single day since I got it, and that is the Dirty body spray. If you can hear this, we are running incredibly low. I wear this one to work because it's fresh, very invigorating, it wakes me up, it kind of gets me ready for the day, and I just really love the scent. Like, it's a very sort of strong, minty, fresh fragrance. It's not normally a smell I would use for myself or kind of smell and go, that is delish. But for some reason in the mornings it really wakes me up, makes me ready for the day, and I absolutely love it. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like spearmint oil, sandalwood oil, neroli oil. You also have lavender, tarragonine extract. I feel like maybe it's the lavender that really draws me in because I love a lavender smell. You guys know me, I love Twilight more than anything in this world. It is so good, and I think maybe that is why I love this product. So this is the first item I have been obsessed with, and I just love it. I feel like I ate the spray, like I can taste it, do you know what I mean? So sticking with fragrances, let's talk perfumes. A month or so ago, Lush sent me a Valentine's Day box. Honestly, I still think about it to this day. The packaging was so beautiful and the contents inside was just phenomenal. So inside that parcel was a bottle of Chelsea Morning perfume. This perfume is a really beautiful, unique fragrance. When you first smell it, it gives off caramel, it gives off sticky dates, it's like toffee, vanilla, sweet, foody. However, when you spray it, it does give off a more lemony kind of smell. You can really smell the lemon in it, which makes it very fresh, very avobathy, almost citrusy. It just has a really bizarre mix of smells, but I am obsessed with it. Like, it's definitely not going to be for everyone, I'm not going to lie. Like, not a lot of people want to smell edible, like food, or that citrusy smell, or that kind of thing, but I have been wearing this so frequently over the past month, I cannot even tell you, and such a small amount goes such a long way because it is so strong. So in terms of ingredients in this one, we have things like Tonka Absolute, lemon myrtle oil, vanilla. It is just full of really lovely ingredients, but the smell, I absolutely love it. Like, imagine a creamy caramel avo bath. Like, that is how I would describe it, like an avo bath bomb dipped in caramel. It is so good. Just smell it, phenomenal. Now moving on to a lip product. As you guys know, if you've watched my videos before, you will know that I am obsessed with lip scrubs. Do I need as many lip scrubs as I own? Absolutely not. Do I even get through them all? Absolutely not. But do I buy every single one? Of course I do. So the one I've been using recently has been the Merry Christmas. So this is the Christmas lip scrub from last year. So obviously you cannot get this one anymore. But when I tell you that I love this, it smells so good. I have to eat some because I literally can't not, you know what I mean? Emotional. I find this one really hard to describe in terms of flavour and scent. It's very sweet. It's almost cherry-like. It just tastes like an American sweet, like a very synthetic, fruity, like cherry kind of taste, but it's so good. Ingredients wise in this one, you've got jojoba oil, shea butter, divana oil, orange oil. It's just so delicious. I'm so sorry that you can't buy this one anymore, as I said, but I highly recommend the lip scrubs in general. I use them on my lips, obviously, obviously, and then just lick off the excess. Some people use them in the shower. If you don't want to lick it off, obviously you don't have to, because you are licking off dead skin cells. Completely up to you. I would class myself as the I like to eat my lip scrub kind of person, so that is what I do. Absolutely love this one. There's so many in the all year round range that I love as well, so any of them, to be honest, delish. Next up, let's talk body care. Now this one is a very recent favourite of mine, so I haven't used too much of it, but recently I have been absolutely obsessed with the Olive body butter, which is part of the LUSH version collection. This came out a few months ago, which is basically a bunch of products that LUSH, I believe, invented and then gave to the Body Shop. It's all a bit confusing. I don't know the ins and outs, but this product was one of the ones that were released and I have been obsessed with it recently. It is the most beautiful, thick, creamy body lotion. Like, if I show you the texture, like, it is super thick and creamy, which obviously we love. I have been using it mainly after I get out the bath or the shower, and mainly on my legs after I've shaved them and before bed and that kind of thing. But it is so, I can't even describe to you how moisturizing this body butter is. Like, it is absolutely just incredible. Like, my skin has been so dry over the past month, and oh, it smells beautiful. It's a very lovely subtle scent. Like, when I first kind of saw this one and I was thinking like, oh, like olive, like I'm not an olive girl, I don't really like olives. I'm just gonna put some on this hand while we're talking. I don't like olives, I don't like that kind of smell, taste, or anything like that, so I was a little bit put off by the scent name. However, it doesn't smell like olives. It's a very neutral, subtle, gentle, creamy kind of smell. Like, it doesn't have an overpowering scent at all. It's a very lovely, just creamy kind of smell. So I really have been absolutely obsessed with this recently. I cannot put it down, to be honest. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got things like lemon infusion, virgin olive oil. We also have avocado butter, bergamot oil, lemon oil, mandarin oil, orange peel wax, oak moss extract, which normally oak moss and me, we don't get on. You guys know I'm not an earthy, woodsy, mossy kind of gal. Don't like those smells, but in this, it works. And the last 3 products are all hair care related. If you guys are not new to my channel, you have probably seen me talk about these products many a time. However, I cannot stop using them. When I tell you I am obsessed, I am obsessed. So the first item is, of course, the Super Milk Hair Conditioning Primer. I love this product. I cannot tell you how much I love this product. It is so milky, so creamy, so moisturizing. The smell, it's so good. I absolutely love it. So I use this on wet hair after I've shampooed, conditioned. I get out the shower, I towel dry, and I spray this all over, and then I brush it through. It is the most moisturizing, hydrating, that is the same thing. Melody, that's not good words to use. Moisturizing, softening, conditioning treatment. Like, I cannot describe it any better. It is just so good. There is a reason this went viral on TikTok, and it's because it is phenomenal. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk. You also have lemon juice, olive oil, Litzy Cubea oil, Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Absolute. It is just perfection. This is a product that I will always repurchase. This, I believe, is my 2nd or 3rd bottle, and I am currently about up to here, so I am going to probably finish it over the next few months, which is so upsetting to me. But I also love using this kind of not when I've washed my hair, so I take a tiny bit of it. I'll show you now, but I have put moisturizer on my hands, but I put a tiny bit in my hands like that, and I will just scrunch it in the bottoms of my hair just for the fragrance. Like, I am obsessed with the smell, and I just love putting it in my hair like that, and it kind of gives that really nice scent overall. So I absolutely love it. I cannot recommend it enough. 10 out of 10. I think this has to be, I might be being bold, this could be my favorite out of all these favorites. So I'm just saying, you need to buy it. So the next item is one which, when I heard about it, I was like, not for me, absolutely not. When I smelt it, I was like, oh, like, I don't like the smell, this isn't for me, absolutely not. But when I actually tried this product, mind blown. Like, my life has changed. I love this product. So this is the Ginger Shampoo. This is another one of the LUSH version products, which I absolutely love. This, again, is one of those products where the smell, like, it's not for me. It is full of ginger, which I don't enjoy. However, the actual function of the shampoo, I am obsessed with. It's scrubby, it's invigorating, it is very stimulating on the scalp, it is just really, really good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like coarse sea salt, ginger root infusion, fair trade honey, rosemary infusion, ginger oil. So obviously, as you guys know, things like rosemary is really good for hair growth. You've also got the fair traded honey for moisture, and also the sea salt for scrubbing, the ginger as well for the like tingly sensation. Like, it has everything in a shampoo that a girl like me could want. My hair naturally is very thin, it's very curly, it's incredibly dry. A godsend, I'm telling you. So good, so wonderful, and I just hope they never get rid of it because I absolutely love it. Don't like the smell, but the function, incred. And last but definitely not least is an absolute OG fave. I have used this product, I want to say 15, 20 pots of it. Like, I am obsessed with it. I've also bought small pots, I've also bought massive pots. This one is a medium size, and that is of course the Roots scalp treatment. Now this, if you guys are not new to my channel, you would have seen me mention probably in most Lush favorites videos or Lush hauls. I have used this for years and I will never stop using it. I hope that they never ever discontinue it because it is so, it's just so good. I cannot even describe it. So this is actually a brand new pot. I have been recently just repurchasing it as soon as I run out, but it is a mint scalp treat. Oh, that takes me back, my goodness. I first found this when I was at university and I would use this every single hair wash, like twice a week. I absolutely loved it, and the smell is just nostalgic. Like, I love it so much. So it's a very minty sort of smell, very creamy, very kind of pepperminty, I suppose. It's a very lovely fragrance. In terms of ingredients, we have things like fresh mint infusion, peppermint oil, orange oil, spearmint oil, grapefruit oil, nettle absolute, neroli oil, olive oil, loads of beautiful ingredients. I'll hold it up so you guys can have a little read yourself, but I cannot recommend this product enough. Essentially what you do is you pop it on your scalp all over. So I take a tiny bit on my fingers and I kind of go through and like part my hair, if you know what I mean, and then I like massage it in for a while. You basically have to leave this on, I think it was recommended, yeah, for 15 to 20 minutes. I have left this on for like hours and there's like no harm in it, do you know what I mean? Like, you can leave it on for a while. I wouldn't sleep in it, but maybe like an hour or so, absolutely fine. And this essentially is a very minty, tingly, fresh scalp treatment. I find that this is really, really great for getting rid of product buildup and flaky scalp, all that kind of thing, because sometimes, especially at this time of year, my scalp gets incredibly dry. Like, I don't know where it comes from, but it is so severe sometimes. I'm like, I need to just rewash, do you know what I mean? TMI, but we're all friends on here. Anyway, I use this, all gone in one wash. I am telling you, this product is a godsend. If you guys have dry scalp, product buildup, you want your hair to grow, you want soft, lovely hair, you want your scalp feeling clean, this is the product for you. I'm telling you, this is amazing. This could be my favorite, actually. I feel like this is a very close second, but this is my ride or die. So those are all of the Lush products I have been absolutely obsessed with recently. I would love to know down below, what products have you been loving recently? What products would you recommend me? I feel like I really, really trust your guys' opinions and things like that on Lush products. So let me know down below anything you think I would love and need to try. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. We have a really great time over here. I upload a lot of Lush content, a lot of book content. It's a very safe place to be and I would love to have you. So with that being said, I'm gonna end today's video here. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.